What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are at Greco Brothers Saab here in Boonton, New Jersey, and we are here to pick up the Saab 9.5. We put a new muffler on there since we got into a little fender bender, and there she is, looking fresh. If you guys have any suggestions for like a little muffler tip for that, a little chrome tip to put it back to semi-factory, I am totally open for it. But yep, she's looking good. Let's go talk to Mike. If you guys are in the area, and you guys have Saab problems or just want to hang out with some Saab guys, come over to Greco Bros in Boonton, New Jersey here. I'll just give you guys the information right here. 973, there it is, 9593. Boom. How funny and creative. So we're just gonna go pay the shop and give you guys the tour and the review of what the car sounds like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. What do we got here, Mike? Oh man, look at that, guys.
Well, you know
that
what?
thing got shot up.
It was pretty shot to begin with.
Well, it was definitely like, you know,
on its way out.
It wasn't too far from being finished, but I think a little love tap made it.
Bent the back of the bumper.
Yeah.
Too.
Did it? Yeah, there was a little bit of a dinger on that back there. This is a 1959 Saab 9.3. It's actually Saab's second design that they've ever produced. However, it's the first one that was imported into the United States. So it's essentially the first Saab design in the United States. We got a 3-cylinder engine in there. I mean, just look at the engineering and how simple this thing is. It probably produces like 40 or 50 horsepower, but that's a lot for this car. And what's even cooler is my dad just figured out how to open the trunk. Look at that. That's amazing.
He's got everything in there to clean his car.
Clean it, service it.
It's amazing.
Fantastic.
Authorized personnel only.
But this thing's got suicide doors, guys. You guys think Rolls Royces are cool today. I mean, check this thing out. Unbelievable. And this is all original condition. Never restored, so you guys can see the quality and how awesome this really is. It smells like an old car in here, but there's no rust, no fade, just pretty. Beautiful.
How did this guy find you?
Mike's famous.
Yeah, Mike.
Mike's been around the Saab world for quite a while.
Yeah, we like Mike. Mike fixes.
This guy has
He charges though, but he's good.
He's got a Monte Carlo convertible.
It's worth it.
This guy has about 11 classic cars: a red 9, SPG, a yellow convertible.
Yellow convertible Saab 900, 9000.
91.
Those are worth some money.
He has that Vigan you saw here.
The blue one with the blue interior.
I think it had Texas plates and then the Texas plate SPG.
So he's got a lot of Saabs.
He's got a lot. He's the current president of the Vintage Car Club.
Okay.
Is he here in Jersey?
He's out of New
Pretty
York,
cool.
but I think they have a place up there.
They got Vermont plates on them. They're not current.
He's probably got a couple places, Texas,
Yeah,
Vermont, New York.
Families spread around. And
Did he tow it?
Probably easier for them. It's probably easy for them, like with insurance and registration, to have multiple.
He drove this down like at 70 miles an hour. It'll
From
do that
Vermont.
problem,
70 miles an hour, you guys can get out of this 50 horsepower engine.
What?
Who would have thought? It probably handles it really well too.
Look at the tires. Well,
Yeah.
The tires are brand new.
Cool car. All right, let's hop back outside here in a minute, guys. Give you a cold start on that Saab.
What's this?
What's this?
Question.
Always add oil here when refueling.
And it tells you how much.
Wow.
You gotta put oil in this tank.
It's a 3-cylinder. Yeah.
Yeah.
So every tank you got to put oil in.
2-stroker.
Yeah, 2-stroker.
Wow.
Pretty cool, guys.
It's unheard of today.
Here.
So this is Mike's winter car, guys. He uses this to transport machinery around. pretty spacious back here. He put a 13 horsepower snowblower in there.
Yeah.
Look at that. It's freaking cool. Two-door coupe. It's the only car I've ever seen that can do that.
Of course, the 900 is great in the snow.
Yeah, it's got the weight.
Can't beat
70s,
it. 88.
What do you, are you servicing it? What's going on with it?
I have to make a new ground wire for the alternator. It's not charging well.
Okay. That's easy for you though, right?
Other than that, the guy that had it before gave it to me this one day. It's been in the driveway too long. I don't want it. It worked, ran.
Yeah. And you just, you know, did a little tinkering and it's probably fine.
Hardly anything.
Really? Just unbelievable.
He couldn't find fifth gear.
So you gave up on it?
On the bottom with just a plastic thing in the bottom of the shifter.
And you fixed that, obviously.
So now it works great.
Always amazing how people give up cars so easily.
Don't you love it, Kyle?
Hey man, sometimes you know, sometimes us capitalists take advantage, and here we go, we got a nice winter car.
That guy said we can have that, but the employee's taking it.
Yep, 1999 95.
We just spent close to $3,000, at least $2,500.
Just to repair
And then he said,
I'm
he was
done.
afraid to bring it home to his wife because she doesn't know about it. So he started paying storage, and then he said, you know, I can't keep paying storage. How about you guys just keep it?
So there you are, a beautiful 9.5 after he paid storage and everything. That's crazy.
You made money on buying it.
Just avoiding the wife.
And then it keeps
120,000 miles on this.
He had a
Pretty sweet.
balance of like 650.
What's up, kitty?
I said, you can have
This
it for
kitty's cool, guys. Yeah, this guy's cool. Very cool.
Yeah, you are.
Otherwise,
What's up,
we
buddy?
could, you know, we could put it up for sale and get $2,000 probably.
Start it.
Pull the rope.
Pull the rope. Beautiful. Sounds good. Smells good too. Got that arrow. Look at that. No blue smoke or anything, guys. That's how awesome these cars are. Love it. Thanks, Mike.
Yeah, you got it.
Appreciate it. Keep you guys posted. We'll take this thing for a quick ride and give you guys the final tour. Okay, we are in the Saab, guys. It is running perfect. We got perfect. Everything is perfect on this car. I can finally freaking say to you that this thing is perfect. We got a good exhaust system now from the cat all the way back. Actually, I should say from the turbo all the way back. Turbo back is all freaking good. No leaks, knock on wood. We got a straight pipe in there, and now we have the new muffler on the rear, and we have a brand new cooling system. We have a good transmission, serviced, ready to roll. We got fresh oil change. I don't know what else we need to do besides cross our fingers and hope there's no more Saab saga on this one, guys. The last thing we need to do, honestly, to be perfect is get new tires, which we will do here in the next couple weeks, I'm sure, maybe sooner, as we are getting some snowy weather. There you guys go, a little update for you. Want to thank Mike again at Greco Brothers Saab for taking care of us. He hooked it up, and we are all set to go here. Saab's running good. I'll give you guys a little walk around outside, and we'll call it a good update for you. All right, so here we are on the outside. The car is fully warmed up, just from the start to the back here. How quiet the car is. And then when you get to the back here with the new muffler, you guys can see a little sneak preview back there. But it's got like a nice little rumble to it. Nothing too obnoxious. It's got good taste to it, and I think that's the way we're gonna leave it. And that's the way the Saab is crumbling right now. I mean, these tires have a little tread left, but I really just, I don't know, I feel like if we're gonna be riding this thing in the snow, I'd rather be confident that there's decent tread. The fronts are just about the same, so maybe that's next on the list. Other than that, just gonna keep road tripping the hell out of this car and enjoying it for what it's worth. So this week actually we're taking it on another little long couple 100-mile road trip, so I'm happy that everything is finally all set to go. Brake lines too, I forgot to mention that. Jesus, we've done everything on this car, so hopefully for the next umpteen months or thousands of miles that we're about to crank on this thing, it's gonna be flawless and treat us right, because hey, we've been nothing but good to this thing, so maybe the respect will come back our way from it, right? Anyways, I'll leave you guys off on that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe, follow me at Pancis. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, or just want to chat, happy to help. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.